In this video, I'll show you how to do slow motion effects in CapCut. So this video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now I'm using a video template inside of CapCut to do this. So let's say, okay, you can see how this video is currently playing. It's playing like a bit fast. So but like we want to do a slow motion effect in this video. So what you need to do now, just tap on the video. This is going to come out. Scroll, you're going to be able to see speed. Click on speed. Click on curve. So like you see a lot of different effects, but like we want to do a good slow motion effect in CapCut. So if you're using your video or another video you love to do with this, just click on this custom. So like you're going to be able to see the bit duration type of this. So you can just come on here and adjust it. So depending on how you adjust it, depending on how this video is going to play. So you can see this video is playing fast, like on a normal speed. So let's say if you love to do slow motion now, you're going to be able to drag this down. So you can see how it's going to play. So you can see it. I'm going to continue as well. I'll reduce it. So you can see how slow it's currently playing. So this is a good slow motion effect. So I can still reduce this. I can still increase it, depending on how you want it to be. So if you want it to be all this slow, you can see it's really slow. So you can still do this as well. Just come on here and adjust it. So once you are done, click on this check icon. So you just made this video a slow motion video. So if you found this video helpful, or if this video helped out, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next video.